Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Cooking video. Today I'll be making banana bread. This is definitely a household favorite. I got this recipe from my mom. I grew up eating this banana bread, and as an adult I now make it for my family, so I decided to share it with you today. Alright, so to create the base of this cake, I'm going to use 8 ounces of room temperature butter and 1 cup of sugar. I'm using the Kerrygold butter, guys, because in my opinion, the flavor is unmatched. And with the sugar, I combined a half a cup of white granulated sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. Then I just used my hand mixture and creamed everything together. After, I'm going to add in 3 eggs, but I'm going to add them in one at a time. Add in the first egg, mix it all up until everything is combined, then the second, and then the third. Once I've done that and everything is all mixed together, I'm just scraping down the bowl to make sure that everything is combined. And then I am taking 3 super ripe bananas and I'm gonna mash them up. So this is the consistency I want for my bananas. So I'm gonna add them into my base mixture and just mix everything up together. Once everything is well mixed, I'm gonna add in all my spices. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this up real well, making sure that all of the ingredients are mixed in together. Now it's time to sift the flour. I ran 2 cups of all-purpose white flour through my strainer, making sure that any lumps would be removed before I add it into my mixture. Now I'm adding in the flour half cup at a time and mixing it in, but being very careful not to overmix the batter. Once I add in the flour, I'm only mixing it enough to incorporate the flour. For the last cup of flour, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, mix, and then a pinch of salt. So now my batter looks perfect and it's time to bake. I greased my loaf baking dish with some butter and added in all of the batter. And then I just gave it a good shake to make sure that every nook and cranny was filled with this batter. Popped it in the oven, preheated at 350, and allowed it to bake for 55 minutes to an hour. This is how it looks after baking for 45 minutes. I didn't take it out because the center needed more time. After about an hour of baking, this is what I'm working with. I rest it on a cooling rack just so it can cool for about a half an hour. Now I'm gonna remove it from the baking dish and allow it to rest directly on the cooling rack and cool for another hour, hour and a half. Once that's done, I'll cut it up and my family will devour it. So there you have it, guys. My mama's banana bread, the best banana bread you'll ever have. Thanks again for watching.